Types of residential property. In India, there are many types of residential properties available for people to live in. Let's take a look at some of the most popular ones. Apartments or flats are a popular choice for many city dwellers. They offer multiple units in a single building, ranging from one-bedroom apartments to luxurious penthouses. Villas, on the other hand, are standalone houses with their own private garden or backyard. They are often more spacious and luxurious than apartments and provide a sense of exclusivity. Independent houses are single-family homes that are not attached to any other property. They can be small or large, depending on the size of the plot. Bungalows are typically large, single-story homes with spacious lawns or gardens. They are often associated with luxury and high status. Duplexes are two-story homes that are divided into two separate units, each with its own entrance. They are a good choice for families who want to live together but also want their own space. Row houses are a series of connected homes that share walls. They are usually designed in a way that maximizes the use of space. Studio apartments are small, self-contained units that consist of a single room that serves as a living room, bedroom, and kitchen. They are a great choice for individuals or couples who want to live in the city without breaking the bank. Service apartments are fully furnished apartments that are available for short-term rental. They are usually equipped with all the necessary amenities and services, including housekeeping and laundry. Farmhouses are homes located on the outskirts of the city, typically with larger land and more space. They are often used as a weekend getaway or for social events. No matter what's your preference or lifestyle, there is a residential property in India that is perfect for you. Choose wisely and live happily. Thanks for watching this video on the different types of residential properties in India. If you found this information useful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Also, if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Your support and feedback are much appreciated, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. You can find Estate NCR on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Thanks again for watching.